Hey guys, today let's learn how to move liked songs to your playlist on Spotify. So if you guys would like to go ahead and basically move your liked songs over onto a specific playlist that you have did on the Spotify application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So if you want to go ahead and do this, guys, basically I'm going to teach you this in this video. So firstly, my advice is to actually try to access the playlist of your Spotify onto a different application or a different device. So what I want you guys to do is to go on over and try to access this on the PC. So I'm going to show you that right now. And I do have the PC version of Spotify already downloaded right here. And basically what I want you guys to do is try to access your liked songs right here. Now, once you're already on your liked songs playlist, what I want you guys to do is to tap on your keyboards and select them all. So as you would select a specific text on a document, tapping on the Control and A buttons at the same time on our keyboards will select all of them. Now what I want you to do next is to go on over to the specific playlist that you'd like to go ahead and add these songs to. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and let's say add it to this one right here and just go ahead and drag it and drop it onto this playlist. And it's that easy, guys, to add all of your liked songs onto your playlist. As you would see, I'm going to go onto the bottom and all of the liked songs is already here. Is that easy, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and take care.